Hey everybody, welcome back. How are you doing? I'm terrible. Why? The weather is terrible. Work, busy, everything bad. But I'm still happy, so it's okay. All right, today let's jump right into it. We've got a lot of looks. What's happening here? In Japanese to English, this can be a little easy to mistake or mix up, right? So let's be careful here. All right, let's double check. First one we got here, guys. She looks really tired. She looks really tired. So here after looks, we notice we have an adjective. An adjective, keiyoshiaru, ne? All right. He looks like a businessman. He looks like. So here we have looks like. Man, businessman, right? This is a noun, meishi, right? Okay. So, right? He looks tired. 疲れそう。そう、right? 形容詞だけは looks, okay? He looks like tired, ダメ。Okay? Also, looks businessman もダメ。Looks like takes a noun. Okay. So for example, if you go to the dentist, right? The dentist, mushibaso, right? Looks like a cavity. Cavity, right? Mushiba, cavity. Right? Then after the dentist will take an x-ray, rentogen suru, take an x-ray. Yes, it is a cavity. その後、決めた B 動詞になる, right? It is a cavity. But first, you look. She looks really tired. So why? Why do we use looks in English? Okay? This is before we know, right? してるの前ね、しとるの前. Right? I see her. 疲れそうね. I ask her, how are you? I'm really tired. Then I use a be verb. She is tired, you are tired. その後 looks もう一回ダメ使いませんね. Just you are tired. Now I know. So this is before we know, right? 知ってるの前ね. Looks like a businessman. Maybe he has on a suit and a bag. Right? He's carrying a briefcase. But I don't know him. 彼は知らん. So, after I ask him, hey, what's your job? What do you do? Right? Hatsuan, what do you do? What do you do? Hey, what do you do? Oh, I'm a host. Oh, wow, okay. He works in Nagarekawa, maybe. So, he looks like a businessman. Looks like, right? Salaryman boy. Okay, salaryman Japanese, ne? Businessman. But, he's not. He's a host. This is just my guess. My guess, right? After, he is a host. He's a host. Maybe. I wish I was a host. Get some money. Right? Money. But I'm poor because I'm an English teacher. So sad. Okay. So looks like, noun. Looks, adjective. But these are our first guess, before we know. After we know, then we use the be verb, is, are, am. Okay? Am probably使えない because that's sort of 自分のことね. Alright, then. A little harder. Look like, have, then a noun. You look like you have a fever. You look like you have a fever. So, 動詞、名詞. Oh my gosh. But 日本語はこれは簡単ね. 熱あるそう. Right? 熱があるそう. 簡単, right? But if you have the ある, 持っている, いる, you're going to need look like this subject and object. Oh, sorry, I went too far over. This subject and object have to repeat each other. Okay? Because 英語でいつもあるね. He looks like he has. Okay? He looks like he has a fever. She looks like she has. Okay? So this is going to be kind of beginning of the sentence and then 普通の文章ね. あなたは熱がある? You have a fever. 熱があるそう. You look like you have a fever. 英語で2回大丈夫心配しない, right? Always, right? Right, maybe Jay, I look like I have a lot of money, but I don't. I'm poor. So poor. Please donate money, okay? All right. All right, so today we're going to practice these three, all right? So go ahead, open the link in the video description and get the worksheet ready to go. All right, you got it? All right. So let's look here. All right, let's look at number 1. You look really tired. What's wrong? とても疲れそう。超疲れそう。どうしたの? What's wrong? What's wrong? We studied that in our first lesson, right? What's wrong? So he says, I had to work 13 hours today, right? I had to しなければならない, right? I had to work 13 hours today. So, of course, I'm really tired. So then after that, ビ動詞, Jack, you are so tired, you are very tired, right? Take care. All right, number 2. She looks like a nice lady. She looks like a nice lady. Again, I'm just looking at her. I don't know her. 知らない, right? She looks like a nice lady. But maybe I talked to her. She's not nice. So, she isn't a nice lady after that. Okay? ビ動詞。決まったら ビ動詞. Okay? After that, ちょっと教える. Alright, number 3. He looks like he has a lot of money. He looks like he has a lot of money. So, again, I see him. Business suit, nice bag, maybe nice car. But maybe he still lives at home with his mother. まだお母さんと住んでいる. So sad. So he spends all his money on suits and cars. But he's actually poor. So he still lives home with his mother. He looks like he has money. お金持ちそう。だけど he's not. So, all right, number 4. Peter is a really good guy. これは B 動詞あるね. Peter is a really good guy. So now we're using the be verb, ビ動詞ね. So we've already decided, もう決めた. I know Peter. Peter よくわかる人ね. I know Peter. So 彼は優しいよ. 私わかるね. 1年、2年、3年ぐらいしている. I known him for a long time. I have known him for a long time. So Peter is a good guy. All right? If I know Peter for 3 years, right? Peter 3年間ぐらいしている. Peter looks like a guy, nice guy 言ったら超ひどい. He looks like a nice guy, but he's not. He's really not. 彼は優しそうけど Be careful, right? After you decide, 決めたら then don't use looks or looks like, okay? Alright, number 5. That pizza looks delicious. Looks delicious. あのピザは美味しそうよ. Right? But I eat it. 食べたら that pizza is delicious. After I eat it, 食べた then I decide it's delicious, okay? So look in the blue box for the rules, like I said. Look, adjective, right? Look, 形容詞だけ. Alright? Looks delicious, 美味しそう. You're describing the appearance, the 見た目. Okay? 見た目説明している. You're guessing, 推測. Right? It looks delicious. I don't know, I didn't eat it. Okay? 知らない、食べなかった. Right? But it looks delicious, alright? Alright, look like, noun. It resembles something. Resemble, 見たい、似ている. Okay? Right? Looks like Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt 似ている. Brad Pitt 見たいとかね. Something like that. Right? 名詞. Looks like, 名詞. Looks like tired. ダメ. I hear it a lot. よく聞こえるね. Looks like Japanese. No. Okay? But is are, right? ビ動詞 is are. When the speaker has already decided, already knows, もう知っとる, もうわかる, もう決めた. Alright? You want to use is are. It's my opinion. Okay? This pizza is delicious. Right? I have eaten it. 食べたよ. And it's delicious. Okay? My opinion. And looks like something, right? Looks like somebody has, and I said, あるそう、いるそう、持っているそうね. Something like that. So he looks like he has a lot of money. お金あるそう. Okay? Right? お金持ちそう. Something like that. When you have the noun. これも名詞あるそう. Okay. So then let's look at the very bottom. Let's do a little practice. Look like, and looks like have. Alright? So number one. Wow, those shoes, expensive. So expensive is an adjective, right? 形容詞. Look, that's right. Those shoes look expensive. 高いそう。Wow, those shoes look expensive. You see your friend, they come with these nice new shoes. Wow, those shoes look expensive, right? Not Jeremy's shoes, right? Jay's shoes, they are stinky. I have stinky shoes. 臭いそう, right? Those shoes look stinky. Yes, they are. My shoes are stinky. Watch out, watch out. Okay, number 2. Those people, Japanese, but they are speaking English. They are speaking English. Japanese. Japanese has 2 right uses. 使い方2つ。名詞 and 動詞, right? Japanese は日本語でしょ? それは名詞。だけど、日本の日本人とか、英語ではそれは形容詞ね。Italian, Japanese, American. そこの時は形容詞。Those people look Japanese. They look Japanese. But they're speaking English. So again, I don't know. 知らない。My guess. 日本人みたいだけど、今ペラペラ英語喋っている、right? But maybe they are Japanese and they're just very good English speakers. Or maybe they're actually American, but maybe American Japanese. We don't know. We don't know. They are Japanese, I know. 聞きました。Hey, are you Japanese? Yes, I am. No, we're not. Okay? All right, number 3. Peter. He a lot of money, but he really doesn't. So money, right? Peter looks like he has a lot of money. Looks like he has a lot of money, but he really doesn't. So Peter さんは、お金持ちそう、お金あるそう、けど、本当にではない。Right? He really doesn't. He really doesn't. Looks like he has money. Nice clothes, but he still lives with mama. Okay? He still stays home with mama. So sad, so sad. All right. Number 4. I think Jay Sensei, Brad Pitt. Japanese Burapi? I have no idea. I'm not good with short katakana. So, right, Jay Sensei, Brad Pitt, right? Looks like Brad Pitt. Or maybe you think different, so you would say doesn't look like Brad Pitt. All right. Last one, guys. Number 5. She is really drunk. She's really drunk. She a good time. A good time. Good time. Good time's a noun, right? 彼女楽しい時間だったそうね。She looks like she had a good time. はじめに現在形ね。She looks like. She, これは過去形。She had a good time. Right? 楽しい時あったそう。Right? Right? She looks like she had a good time. All right. So hopefully that will help you describe some different situations when you're just judging by appearance, right? Looks tired. Looks like a nice guy. Looks like he has a cavity, he has a fever. Anything would be okay. All right? So if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you, all right? Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.